What is going on, traders? This is going to be a quick video. The question of the day is, was today a bull trap? I'm going to show you guys a few things, and I'm going to let you guys determine that in the comments below. Before we start, like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Let's get into the video. So right now we are looking at the SPY daily time frame, and as you guys can see, we have this massive rising wedge pattern, and we broke below the rising wedge pattern. But what's interesting is where we closed. We broke down, retested, closed below 594. Interesting. Now, it's important to note that the short-term projected move of this rising wedge pattern is 578. Not only that, but we have more room towards the 200-day MA at around 570. Interesting. Triple Qs. Triple Qs, you broke below this rising wedge pattern once again, and you are currently retesting resistance at around 510. We talk about 510 all the time and how important that level is. You break below that level, you're heading towards 503. We headed towards 503. I told you guys if you break below 503, 500 and 498 are your next targets, and that's exactly what happened today. But once again, what's interesting here is where we close. We close below 510. All right. Semiconductor ETFs SMH. So I talked about this in the Discord. We have this massive descending triangle. We've been playing games all back and forth between this descending triangle, but once again, we broke back into the descending triangle and we closed below the supply and demand zone at 235, between 235 233. Not only that, but we closed back in the descending triangle. Once again, pretty interesting. SOXX, if I can find it. Here we go. SOXX. So I told you guys about SOXX. It likes to consolidate and then plummet. All right. Currently is doing that. So what I mean by that, in case you're new to the channel, every time SOXX makes a move towards the upside, like a massive move towards the upside, it consolidates and then plummets. Here, rallies towards the upside, consolidates, plummets. All right. So you'll see this across the board when it comes to SOXX. Again, I'm not going to make this video long, but right now, upside, plummet, upside, plummet. I mean, it's like clockwork, guys. But interesting enough, once again, you broke below this rising channel and you closed below resistance at around 209, between 209 210 psych level. Once again, interesting. NVIDIA. You closed below 125, between 125 127 supply and demand zone. Not only that, but you closed below the 200-day MA, which is around 127. You can also argue that we are forming some type of head and shoulders pattern here. So you got your shoulder here, head here, potential, again, potential shoulder here. And then your neckline would be around 117, 115, give or take. Interesting. So that's pretty much the video. I know, crazy cliffhanger. I'm going to make another video going more into detail probably tomorrow. Let you guys know what institutions are doing in regards to the next trading week or so. So you guys let me know in the comments below, was today a bull trap, or are we going to start heading towards all-time highs, previous highs, all that fun stuff from here? Let me know in the comments below. Until the next video, traders, have a good one.